am back here with cars. I ordered online from the Disney store. We have a lot of cars here. We have this pack. And then we could only find this online. It's a special pack.
Sí, mañana sí va a estar caliente. Mañana nos llevas al cine y después a caminar por allí. Mañana sí va a estar calentísimo.
Let's see. We're gonna need something else. So we're gonna need to open it later. And we'll pause the video. Hey guys, so we got it open. It's a pretty cool pack. We have here the Rusty's Cruising Mirrors. And we have the Fabulous Lightning McQueen. And now we're going to open this pack. You have to get it inside. Let's see. Here we go. We opened it. Now we have the Nickel Cruising Mirrors and Chickens. And now we're going to open the last two packs. It's the Fabulous Upton Hornet and the Smoky. We have to open this up. Wait, doesn't have any tape.
There's a lot of cars now.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. You like those cars.
Mm-hmm. Now we need to open this up. I'm gonna do this. And then we need to open it up with this. And then you can open it up, and this is the Fabulous Hudson Hornet. And Smokey. Now let's go to the single. Now let's open up Lightning McQueen. There we go. So we need to open up the top. There. So we need to
Where's the car?
open it up. What? So, oh, there's actually some things back there. I actually don't know how you open this.
Are you playing with the cars, Audrey?
Yeah. So, as you can see, I got the pack of 2, which he also got, but so I got these, which is the Rusty's Cruising Mirrors, and then the Fabulous Lightning McQueen. And then he also got the
Okay,
Fabulous
so
Hudson
guys, we
Hornet.
got this open.
So then it's Rusty's. The other side.
Now we're gonna open the Jackson Storm.
Now we have Jackson Storm here. So
Let's
if
open
you
it up.
can, just watch him open that. So he got Hudson Hornet, Rusty's Lightning McQueen.
Now we got
Smokey.
Jackson Storm all opened up. Guys,
We got Smokey, Jackson Storm, which he's actually bigger than the other ones. As you can tell, as you can see, he's bigger. He's actually
Gabriel,
bigger
how do
than-
you stand it?
so that's gonna be that's gonna be a good video. So press this go when I say go. When I say thank you. And please
Press the box when you signal.
subscribe to our channel, and I hope you enjoy the video.
And also, please subscribe to my channel, which I'm just starting, which I forgot what it was called, but in the next video I will tell you what it was called. So please subscribe to my channel too.